Okay. Hey guys, this is Josh with McCoy Lawyer for Gaming. Matthew and Noah. Today we're doing Jelly Bean Challenge in. Oh, that's nasty. We're doing this with the Jelly Bean bag, which contains over 40 flavors. So god dang it, I don't know if we're gonna get any of them. The last one we tried died, so it's already open. It's already open. Rules are explained. Wear a blindfold, you eat a candy, and you guess the flavor. We're doing 4 candies a person, so it's not like no matter what, anything you win. And if you lose, you lose.
Or you get like
Eat that.
a mark.
You get. Go.
Oh, come on, it makes my mouth. I'm gonna go wash my mouth out. Lemon lime.
Nope, that's not lemon lime.
What is it?
Next. Hands out. We're not gonna do that this time. Hands out, like. Make a bowl! God dang it! Ah! You gotta go, ah!
Roasted marshmallow. Toasted.
No. No! That's 2, this is 3 now.
Oh, come on. A blindfold is coming off, I think.
Eat it.
Eat it.
Oh, just close your eyes.
Eat it. This is a tricky one. I'm guessing this is blueberry?
Yes! Blueberry. Here. Close your eyes. Eat it. Still recording? Good.
This one?
Okay, I know that one. Smell it. Or play. Tell me. God dang it! What is it? Ooh, tutti frutti.
Tastes like tutti frutti.
No. Something happened in the background. Oh. Give me some. Come here. Yeah. Give me like pour a couple in your hand. 4, I guess. Yeah, 4 in your hand. No. Give me one.
Okay.
The blindfold didn't work.
I know it is.
Sour apple?
Nope. I think it's very.
Was it light green?
No, very cherry.
It was red.
It was very cherry.
What?
It was red.
It was very cherry.
Dead.
No, that was very cherry. Next.
Okay. I got 3 marks
I don't know.
from the next
What
wrong
color?
one.
Alright, go ahead. A margarita? There's a margarita flavor.
Yeah.
What is margarita?
Chocolate fudge.
It wasn't chocolate fudge.
No.
Was it green like I'm thinking?
Pudding?
No?
No.
Is it chocolate pudding?
No.
I didn't think so.
Again.
No, just okay. Give me another one because I couldn't figure
First, I
it.
need to see this. This is.
Was it like a lime? Lemon lime?
No.
Okay.
I don't know what that is.
That is probably pudding.
Yeah, that's cappuccino.
It's cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
Yep, I was right. Cappuccino. Yeah.
High five.
Oh, geez.
I got 0
I think this
right.
is number 4.
I got 0 right, but 3 wrong the other round, and 3 right the other
Orange.
round.
Probably.
Close your eyes. Okay, Matt's turn. Ooh, that one's good. Okay, eat it. Eat it! What is it? What is it?
It feels really strong.
What is that?
Bubblegum.
No.
What?
Tutti frutti. Next.
Dang it.
Next.
I think I know what it is. I'm guessing it's bubblegum.
Choose, come on, quick. Just say what it is. That one was strawberry cheesecake. Next. Hold on. Hold your hands in the cup with both hands.
I think I know what it is. I think I know what it is.
And try to decide faster.
No.
No beans. Matt has not gotten one so far.
I forgot. Cinnamon.
Yep. One for Matt.
Oh.
Actually, spit it into the thing and go throw it away. That has been the Jelly Bean Challenge. With Noah, me, and Matt, who's right now puking. So, before you leave, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, click on his face because there'll be something on his face. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Check out the rest of my challenges in the thing below because there's more challenges in that way. So, anyway, I will see you guys later. Bye.